The Stoic Shakedown is your source of ancient wisdom for modern life. Subscribe for weekly videos on Stoic history, theory, and application, and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. The ancient Greek philosophy of Stoicism, with its emphasis on self-mastery, virtue, and wisdom, has seen a resurgence in modern times. At its core, this philosophy encourages us to accept what we cannot change and exert our energy and influence where we truly can. Epictetus, a prominent Stoic philosopher of the 1st century, produced an array of teachings that continue to enlighten us. This video will delve into 10 such quotes from Epictetus and explore their deeper meanings. Let's jump right in. Here's our first quote: "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." At the core of this quote is the Stoic principle of the dichotomy of control. Epictetus reminds us that our reactions, emotions, and attitudes are within our control, not external events. Embracing this understanding can lead to a more peaceful and fulfilling life as we learn to focus on managing our responses rather than attempting to control the uncontrollable. Our next quote from Epictetus is a good one. "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." This quote underscores the importance of listening, suggesting that silence and understanding are more valuable than constant speech. Active listening cultivates empathy, builds relationships, and ultimately, enhances wisdom. Our next quote is truly timeless: "Only the educated are free." This short statement alludes to the liberating power of knowledge. To Epictetus, true education is not merely about accumulating facts but about developing wisdom and understanding, which in turn, fosters emotional freedom and resilience. Here's our next quote: "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." Epictetus encourages a deliberate approach to life in this quote. It encourages us to define our values and goals, and then to align our actions accordingly, thus promoting consistency between our ideals and our behaviors. Up next is a powerful observation: "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them." This quote reiterates the Stoic theme of perception. Our interpretation of events can cause more distress than the events themselves. Recognizing this can help us shift our perspective and mitigate unnecessary suffering. Our next quote returns to the Stoic theme of education. "It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows." Epictetus stresses the value of intellectual humility in this quote. By acknowledging our limitations and maintaining an open mind, we foster a growth mindset that invites continuous learning and adaptation. This next quote is applicable to a wide variety of situations. "Circumstances don't make the man, they only reveal him to himself." In this quote, Epictetus emphasizes that our responses to circumstances reflect our true character. It reminds us that difficult situations are opportunities for self-discovery and personal growth. This next quote continues with the Stoic theme of self-awareness as part of personal growth. "He who laughs at himself never runs out of things to laugh at." Epictetus infuses a touch of humor in this quote, highlighting the importance of not taking oneself too seriously. The ability to laugh at ourselves cultivates humility, mitigates stress, and promotes resilience. Up next we have a quote that helps us clarify our ultimate goals: "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control." Echoing the central tenet of Stoicism, Epictetus reasserts the pursuit of freedom through acceptance of what we cannot control. It encourages emotional independence and peaceful coexistence with the unpredictable nature of life. Our last quote underlines the Stoic teaching that true freedom lies within, not in external circumstances or possessions. No man is free who is not master of himself. By dissecting these quotes, we grasp Stoic values like virtue, self-mastery, humility, wisdom, and acceptance. They reveal the Stoics' quest for inner peace and resilience through aligning perceptions and actions with their core values. Epictetus's teachings go beyond aphorisms. They offer practical guidance for navigating life's challenges. They urge active listening, avoiding assumptions, and seeking ongoing knowledge. They promote intellectual and emotional humility, fostering an open mind and resilient spirit. In a world fraught with uncertainties, the timeless wisdom of Epictetus offers a beacon of clarity and strength. His teachings resonate with us as powerfully today as they did 2 millennia ago, reminding us that we are the masters of our inner world, capable of cultivating tranquility, resilience, and wisdom. They guide us towards living more meaningful, virtuous, and peaceful lives, rooted in the unshakable tenets of Stoic philosophy. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button for weekly videos on Stoic philosophy and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.